Introducing Merit Brass Company's high-quality stainless steel ball valves manufactured for quality and performance in the PVF industry. Choose from our one-piece reduced port 800 WOG, two-piece full port 1000 WOG, two-piece reduced port 1500 WOG, two-piece 2000 WOG standard port, or our threaded or socket weld three-piece full port 1000/400 WOG valves. Designed to ASME ANSI B16.34 standards, these valves deliver durability and precision for demanding applications. Featuring blowout-proof stems and pressure-balanced hole ball slots, our valves ensure safety and reliability. With various threaded standards and optional locking devices, they're built for versatility. Wholesaler distributors benefit from robust construction, consistent performance, and reduced maintenance, keeping your customers' operations running smoothly. For wholesaler distributors, our valves mean fewer replacements, satisfied clients, and streamlined inventory. Partner with Merit Brass today. Contact us at 800-726-9800 or visit us at meritbrass.com to enhance your PVF offerings with our stainless steel ball valves.